Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a grid onto your image by using Canva application. So first open your Canva and then make a new project, and after that click the element and insert a frame. For example, I'm going to use this frame, and now you need to adjust the size like this, and after that we can insert an image onto this page. For example, I think I will use this image, and then tap the three dots and then set the image as the background like this, and now click it, and after that click the transparency and decrease the transparency onto 45 like this, and one more time insert the same image onto the page like this, and now you can put the image inside of the frame. Now adjust the size like this, make sure it has a same size and a same position as the background, like this one. Wait. Okay, after that click done, and now this is the result that you got. Now we can duplicate it one more time and positioning it here, and then double tap, and now adjust the position as same as before, like this. Click done, and one more time duplicate it like this. Then I think I'm going to put it here, double tap it, now positioning it like before. Okay, click done and duplicate one more time. I think I will put it here, double tap, positioning the image like that, click done. I think this one is not on the same spot, like that, click done, and after that this is the result that you got. Now you can delete the background like this and change the color of the background. For example, I will try to change onto this color, and as you can see now, the image of your background now has a grid like this. And that's the way how to make a grid onto your image by using Canva application. And if you don't satisfied with the result, you can following this step that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so now click the frame like this and then add an effect. And now you can add a dew tone or outline like this onto the frame, like that. Or maybe if you don't want to do that, you can add swipe left and then click style. You can add a border onto the frame like this. For example, I'm going to use 8, and for this one I will make it 8 too, like this, same as this one, 8, and this one is 8, like that. And now you can see the image on the frame, it's already have a border or the outline. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.